Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J in the shadows and Kamal in the bright light. How come you got bright light and I got shadows, Kamal?
because I got the window in front of me instead of behind me.
Yeah, so look, I think tomorrow is spooked the market, and the market just can't get over the fact that we might get as high as a 9% print on CPI tomorrow. But I don't think it means anything, even if we do. So, a lot of people are saying on Wall Street we can get 9%. So do you think that'll collapse the market, or it'll just say that was factored in? Inflation is on its way down. Uh, get a rally off of that.
I think most things are already priced in, including inflation.
Hmm.
And I also believe that the market, is down probably. I mean, not entirely, but probably because of the Elon Musk quitting on Twitter. So that's one thing, and the CPI, coming tomorrow is another thing. But
Yeah,
I think for the most part, everything is priced in.
yeah. Well, I'm not that scared of inflation anymore because uh, prices of commodities are coming down. Gold never really rallied. The price of the 10-year has gone down to under three. What else? Copper collapse. I said, what else? There's a few other signs. The gasoline price is coming down, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So you add up all of these factors, and supply is beginning to loosen up, right? I think
Correct.
we're getting more and more supply through. And in fact, a lot of inventory problems are occurring now. So that's not inflation. That's a sign of deflation when you have too much inventory.
So
So,
let's hope that the Feds doesn't overshoot the interest rates this time.
yeah, I think that's a big danger because I think they're going to they might react to the headline number, 9%. Let's say it's 9%. They're going to react to that, do three-quarters of a point, and I just hope they don't overdo it because that will put us in bad recession. As long as inflation looks like it's moderating, I think they should take their foot off the pedal and pause on the interest rate hikes in the fall. So, like, at least, give it a rest for a couple of months, see where we are, reevaluate. Let's take a look at what the wisdom of our viewers. Andrew says hi. Mark says hello, Andrew. Andrew greeting Mark. Uh, just general chit chat. Tough days. Athesis is killing my portfolio. It's one of many stocks that's killing my portfolio. In for a penny, in for a pound, says Mark. I guess he means on Athesis. Lettuce Chester is with us again. Sorry I couldn't make it yesterday, Kamal. I was at the beach and I just didn't feel like leaving early. So
Yeah, yesterday was a brutal day.
Neo probably best captures my paradox, trying to mitigate risk without fear of missing out. Yeah, there is that dichotomy. Cabinet guy is with us. Where's Cabinet guy from? I think he's from the Green Mountain state of Vermont. Jay is with us. Better buy VBIB before it really takes off in the next 30 to 60 days. You got this. We should look at VBIB chart. I don't have it listed. I only have 5 things listed, so we could do VBIB, right? We could do VBIB. All right, so let's get into the charts a little bit.
Yeah, we could do VBEV.
I want to do Sesson. I bought some Sesson, SESN today, the bladder cancer drug. I want to do that one.
Right.
Let's take a look at the SPY first. Spiders were down less than 1%, 3.36 to 380.87. Uh, it's not a wonderful candle, granted, but there's not much volume and it shows a little distribution. But I think there's excellent support back down here at 372. And if worse comes to worse, we might retest 362. I don't think we get down to my 349 number. That would be what I consider at max pain, 349.50. I mean, it's possible we get down there, but I don't think so. I think we're in fact, I think we rally today, tomorrow after the CPI number. I think we get a high print, maybe 9%, and rally anyway. That's how I look at it tomorrow. So I think tomorrow is a Kamal Wednesday, followed by a Thursday and a Kamal Friday. I think we see green the rest of the week. What do you think, Kamal?
I definitely hope so. I mean, yesterday was a brutal day. Today was also red for me.
And even though the spiders went down today, we're finding trend line support. I'm okay with this so far. I'm not panicking. I haven't panicked yet, so why should I start now? Sesson Bio. Well, we keep making new highs. We put in a double top at 375, at 95, 95 pennies, that is. And came back down off of that the last 2 days. I bought in today at 83 cents, I believe I paid. And I just like the general trend from 30 pennies all the way up to 95 in not too long a period of time from, let's see the date. It made this almost triple from the beginning of May, June, July, 2.5 months. We've almost tripled. And even though we have some resistance at 95 pennies from the form of a double top, I think the 200 right in here at about 76 cents is good support. Let's see what a 200 is. 200 is 76 cents. So I think that's our support. And buying at 83 cents, I think made sense here for me. Of course, I would have liked to have bought it lower, but it looks like it's in play. They're having meetings with the FDA to seek, I think, a follow-up trial that they're requiring, something like that. I'm not sure of the fundamentals even, but I think it's permission and formulation of a follow-up trial, what the endpoints would be, and so forth. I think that's what it's all about. There's a lot of speculation that somebody could be coming in interested in buying at these levels, which is always a possibility with biotech. So I bought a little Sesson. I had been in this one a few times. Back in, back in now. CRISPR had a very good day. CRISPR's been keeping my portfolio in the green single-handedly. Beautiful chart, 79.05 at the close, up 7% on a day when everything else is down. CRISPR really wants to go. It really does. I could see this one 97 cents soon. Remember, that's been my target. I'm not changing my mind. Yesterday's high was 97.27. Today's high was 79.78. Yesterday, 79.27. So we made another new high in pursuit of my target, at least up here. I think we get probably to the 100. The 100 being at 102. But there is a little resistance before that. So to be conservative, 95, 97, something like that. What's my next stock that I want to look at? I wrote five of them.
So Amazon seems to be a little too sensitive nowadays. Like any little thing, Amazon is the first to fall apart.
Amazon, yeah. Yeah. Amazon, I think, though, is good. It's good. I think 101 and a half at absolute bottom. I'm good. I think you just buy any dip on Amazon. I think 101 and a half is the bottom. I think we've seen the bottom. We may not have seen the bottom on the S&P, but I do think we've seen the bottom on Amazon. In fact, I think consumer discretionary stocks will have a very good finish to the year. Today is Amazon Prime Day. I'm going to buy something just to support my company. What should I buy today on sale? Everything's on sale.
Everything's on sale, including Google.
Yes.
I bought a few Googs today.
Yeah, but I mean, well, I can buy. I'm talking about buying on Amazon because it's Amazon Prime Day. You can get bargains today. Instead of buying the stock, I'll buy what they have to offer.
Right.
All right. This one I may have made a mistake on. I bought this one as soon as it broke 166, and look, it's come right back down. So I'm not thrilled with the action here so far, but I'm not adding to it. I'm going to stay with it for a little while at least. We have pretty good support just below where we're trading on detail, Precision Biosciences. It looks like pretty good support right about in here. So yeah, this level here at about $1.40, call it $1.38. I know it's another 13 pennies below, which you don't want to do it. It'll be another 10%, but I think that's where the support is, and it might be worth holding on to. Or if it hits that level, I might add to it my position. I prefer buying on the way up, not down, but sometimes I do make an exception to the rule. I don't have my list. Do you have the stock puts handy?
No.
Oh,
You want to do VBIV? You want to do VBIV for the guys?
yeah, we'll do VBIT. I don't remember what else I put down. VBIV, 83 cents. I bought some Sava today. Maybe that's what I listed. Probably, because I like to list what I bought. This is really nice support, isn't it, Kamal?
Yep.
Yeah, really nice support. Yeah, and that's just below where we're trading. Real good support is 76 cents. Just on that fact alone, if you like the fundamentals and you're sitting just above support, it's a really good time to get in. The top is 102, and that's our trading range. There you have it. So we're basically towards the bottom of the trading range. Looks like a good place to enter. I think we very well could have bottomed at this low of 64 cents. Looks good. Chart looks very nice. Good entry point. So Sava is another one that I bought today. So I suspect I listed it. I decided that $23 and change was just a good place to add. I know it's basically been doing terrible over the last couple of weeks, but all you need is any good news at all, and this thing will take off because it's huge. There's huge short interest.
My average is in the mid 40s, by the way. It's like 44 or something.
What is?
My average on Sava.
Oh, okay. Well, I think you'll wind up making good money on Sava. I think this holds. That is 22.31. If it doesn't hold, we're very likely to go down to the lows. But I do think it holds 22.31. So therefore, $23. It's a great place to enter or to add. I added, not scared to add here. I have clear the drawings because it just cluttered. But look at also, you see the purple? That's a 50. Where, well, no, I was going to say, that doesn't look too good. I thought we were going to cross the 100, but that's a 12. All right, enough of that theory. Uh, I think CRISPR was about to cross. Let me put CRISPR back. I think CRISPR in the chart looked like the 50 was going to cross the 100. Look, 50 is down here. Let's see what it's 50. 50 is at $60.21. 100 is at $60.49. They're 20 cents away from the cross. And that would be a very positive cross, 50 crossing 100. I think CRISPR is just killing it in terms of it's the move that it made off the lows back here in the middle of May from $42. Did Goldman Sachs purposely issue a sell at $42 so that it could buy the stock for itself? What's going on? How could they be that wrong? It seems like they purposely do it. Remember I told you Goldman issued a neutral rating or sell, whatever it was, and now that means that's the signal to buy. Look at this beautiful trend line from the low. I'm just getting more and more excited about CRISPR, along with all the
Gene editing stuff.
Yeah, the gene editing. But this is a very positive sign to me. You got to go back a ways till you get another cross till you where the last time the 50 traded above the 100 was, let's go back, find all the way back here. So that would be right here, like 9/20/21, September 21. So that's a long ways. It looks very bullish, this chart. What else did I buy today? I bought Sesson. There was one other stock that I listed, but if I can't think of it, I guess it's no big deal. Let me look. Actually, I found my phone. I didn't think I had it on me, so I can quickly take a look and see if I got them all. I don't know. Maybe I didn't post. I thought I did. I don't see any post. Oh.
Can you take a quick look at Google today? Google is going to is going to do the stock split, I think, this week, I think it is.
Sure. Well, we've been making some new highs. This high here from 6.6, 23.86, was that taken out? 23.93, yeah. So we took out an important high. Came back down off of that, but that's okay. This is an important high. You see, we took that out. We found support today at the 12-day moving average. We're still trading above the 50. And Google has to really move up from this high. It's got to close at about 2,400 to give me to give me hope that we're going to move considerably higher. Right
They're
now,
doing this. The stock split this Friday.
stocks split this Friday, but right now you see it's stifled by resistance right here. It's got to get through that. It might. By Friday. It could be up here about 100 with a rally, very
Right.
easily. The 100 is at 2, 4, 5, 3. That could easily pop prior to the split. Let me draw that in. For the fun of it, let's say it does that. That would be my call by Friday. We get a move to 24.45, which is also the high of May 4th. Thanks for that alert, Kamal. That's very likely. And
I
maybe
bought a few.
what's
I bought
that?
a few. I bought a few Googs today.
That's good. Lit fell apart over the last 2 trading days. I'm looking for an entry. I put in a good till cancel at the gap fill at 66.44. So I'll draw that in on lit. I want to add to my position, but at this point, while it's collapsing, I figure I'll look to do better. So I'm looking to buy it at 66 and change lit. Uh, Anybody else have a
Yes. RYTM.
Heath? Oh, my damn. What is it? A PDUFA? A few
Yeah.
in and out. There was a PDUFA. Strange ticker. Uh, LYTM. And then we'll end it right here. Yeah, that's some candle today. I would look for an entry on halfway back on this candle. I don't know what caused this pop, but I always like to wait for it to pull back a little. I don't like to chase. So right in here would be my entry point. Right about maybe right about 595, something like that. Okay, so it looks good. I mean, a candle like that has to be respected. So that's it for today. As always, your own due diligence. Our opinions are strictly your own and do not constitute investment advice. Check with an advisor before acting. Thanks everybody for coming. Heath, Jay, Kevin, Diane, Leo, Chester, Marco, all of our followers. Thanks for viewing. As always, please subscribe, tell your friends about us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading.